Hello guys, welcome to Let's Cap Prep. So today we are looking at this entrance exams, okay? So we so we have to solve the root of A. So we have to solve this question. This is a radical at our left hand side, which is equal to 128. Okay, so today we are going to show you simplest or easiest way to solve this type of question. Okay, so let's begin by separating these radicals. So this one is same as root A. Okay, multiplying by this one is double square. So double square root is of A multiplied by this one is triple. So we have A, which is equal to 128. Okay, so now we know that square root of A is the same as A power half multiplied by this is square root of A square root of A. Okay, so it's going to be A power half bracket power half. Okay, multiplied by another A power half bracket power half bracket power half, which is equal to 128. Okay, now I'm saying that A power half multiplied by this one half plus half, so it's the same as 1 on 2 multiplied by 1 on 2. Okay, so this time this is 1, which is 4. So we have A exponent 1 on 4 multiplying by, so this one too, we have 1 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 1 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so it means that we are going to get A exponent 1 on 8, which is equal to 128. Now, we can use this law of indices, which is that A exponent m multiplied by A exponent n is the same as A exponent m plus n. Okay, so now our equation becomes A exponent half plus 1/4 plus 1/8, which is equal to 128. Okay, so now this 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8, the LCM is 8. So 2 goes into 8 2 times. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. Then 4 goes into 8 3 times. So 2 times 8, 1 is 2, plus 8 goes into itself 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So it means that we are going to get A exponent 4 plus 2 plus 1 all on 8, which is equal to 128. Okay, so our A now 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So we are getting 7 on 8, which is equal to 128. Okay, now we can say that A is by 7 on 8, which is equal to 128. So now we can say that we are going to introduce an exponent of 8 on 7 on here. So 8 on 7, this one too, 8 on 7. Okay, so in this case, you can see that The 7 is going to cancel this 7, then the 8 will cancel this, leaving a here. Okay, and this 128 is the same as 2 exponent 7. Okay, so we're going to get 2 exponent 7 to bracket 8 and 7. So with this 7 cancel this 7, so we get a is equal to 2 exponent 8. Okay, and now 2 exponent 8 is equal to 256. So you say that our a is equal to 256. Okay, so this is our answer for this radical. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.